Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Accord Belt Easy method. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery cable before touching the belt. Loosen the tensioner, remove the old belt, route the new belt following the diagram, and set proper tension to manufacturer specs. I will walk you through tools, common pitfalls, and quick checks so you can finish confidently. Start by gathering your tools and a fresh belt matched to your Accord's engine code. Clean accessible pulleys and inspect for damage so you avoid reinstalling a worn component. Use a belt diagram or take a photo for routing reference before removal. I'll explain how to release the tensioner safely, remove the old belt without twisting it, and prepare the new belt so the swap goes smoothly and quickly. With the tensioner released, slip the belt off the easiest pulley first and work around until it is free. Lay the new belt beside the old one to confirm length and rib alignment before routing. Follow the diagram closely and loop the belt over each pulley, leaving the tensioner for last. Rotate the engine a few rotations by hand to settle the belt, then recheck alignment and tension for a confident finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.